Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Pilot headlight. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a new H4 headlight bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Then, open the hood and identify the headlight assembly that needs attention. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get that headlight assembly out. You'll find two 10mm bolts at the top of the assembly. Go ahead and remove those. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. It's held in by some clips, so a firm but careful tug should release it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small release tab and pulling it free. With the assembly free, it's time to swap the bulb. Twist the plastic housing of the bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it. Then, gently pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. When inserting the new H4 bulb, be careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Make sure it seats firmly and correctly. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting clips until it's flush with the vehicle's body. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two 10mm bolts to secure everything. Test your new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.